This meeting is being recorded.
Hi there, and welcome to this Tech Data and Microsoft Teams presentation. My name is Nick Stancliffe, and during this session we'll be talking about Teams as part of the modern workplace, as well as touching on some of the features which help drive productive business outcomes. If we look at teamwork in the context of the market, and based on some research done by Microsoft, we see that on average 37% of the global workforce is now mobile. Also consider that by 2022, it's estimated that 72% of the mobile workforce will be working remotely. Add to that, there are now 5 generations of employees all working together and all with different expectations of how to communicate. And by 2025, millennials will account for over 75% of the workforce. Also consider now that people are working on twice as many teams and spending 50% more time collaborating. All of these trends create challenges for businesses. So what does teamwork look like for an SMB business today? Disjointed collaboration and file sharing, shadow IT creating security concerns, and dispersed resources, all putting pressure on businesses to review how they work today. If we look at some common business challenges, we see that 42% of employees say that they do not feel engaged. The challenge for the business is, how do you unlock employee potential and how do you engage those employees? Considering the culture, the spaces in which they work, and the technology they use will help to address those challenges. We also see that over 60% of employees find it hard to collaborate. They could be working in different locations, in different countries. They could be working across different generations. And the challenge is, how do we unlock potential of the wider group? We also see that 2/3 of SMB businesses will experience security breaches. So the challenge is, how do you continue and how do you grow and work more collaboratively whilst also keeping your business secure? And these are some of the challenges we see today within the SMB marketplace. What does a reseller look like today? We typically see that partners are under increasing pressure from a margin perspective and from a complexity of driving infrastructure. They're looking more to become the trusted advisor to create those ongoing revenue streams. Teamwork and Microsoft Teams is an ideal opportunity to look at the way that you can modernize your business and increase profitability through becoming that trusted advisor. User needs are the why in teamwork. So what brings all of the features of Teams together along with the security proposition of Microsoft? Microsoft 365 Business is a complete integrated solution powered by Office 365 and Windows 10 to help securely run and grow your business. It brings together best-in-class productivity capabilities within Office 365 that enable you and your employees to create, connect, and co-author from anywhere on any device, whilst also providing peace of mind through sophisticated security to safeguard your business. Microsoft 365 Business also helps you build your business through specific tools that can help you interact and find new customers. With Microsoft 365 Business, you have one subscription that enables collaboration, has tools to help you grow your business while providing peace of mind and safeguarding your information. Within Microsoft 365 Business, you will receive your Microsoft Teams subscription. And here we'll deep dive a little bit further into some of the features within Teams that help to drive some of that those business challenges that we discussed earlier. Communication. First, Teams solves the communication needs of a diverse workforce. Since preview, Microsoft Teams has evolved to a complete meeting calling solution, including chat, voice, and video. As we have completed our roadmap for bringing Skype for Business features and functionalities to Teams, you can use Teams for informal one-to-one or group chats, direct on your phone or on the go. You also have the ability to open conversations in a channel. This enables people to share information in a transparent way to accelerate the decision-making process. And it's super easy to move a chat to a face-to-face meeting to help bridge those connections. Collaboration. When it comes to collaboration, the deep Office integration enables today's multi-generation workforce to use Office apps they are familiar with and love. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, SharePoint, Planner, even Power BI, right within the context of Teams. You can avoid email attachments and having to search the latest versions of a document. Teams brings all of the Office 365 services together so you can easily share and co-author. Customize and extend. Many of you use other services than Office 365 as well, which results in you having to jump between time and desperate experiences. Microsoft built Teams to be a hub for all services and tools your teams can use on a day-to-day basis. So you can customize the teams with tabs, connectors, bots, include third-party apps and services. We have also created an extensible platform to enable you building apps and integrate with business processes. For example, first-line workers, Teams provides an additional capability, including schedule management. Working with confidence. Microsoft Teams comes with enterprise-grade security, compliance, and management that you expect from Office 365, which customers say is a huge value. Examples include data loss prevention and also the other security offerings that sit within Office 365. Bringing teams together into one place, connecting customers, co-workers, and suppliers, working from anywhere, and hosting meetings which can be done in real time. Consider your portfolio when taking Teams to market. There's an opportunity to sell the monthly licensing subscription, which we mentioned, Microsoft 365, which includes Teams as part of that license, alongside all of your other Office applications and security applications. Consider the wraparound margin services available for Teams: file and content management, assessment workshops, online meeting and training. And some of the recurring services, end user adoption, live event management, and roadmap reviews. And also look at repeatable IP to drive more margin from your Teams sale. Tech Data offer a number of third-party services which can help when building out your Teams proposition, and we will touch on these in future sessions. But consider Mandarin Academy, which is an online training portal. For as little as £3 a month, you can offer an automated training platform for your end customers to drive the Teams adoption. For migrations and from SharePoint, we have AvePoint, which can offer automated migration services. And when building a roadmap for Teams, these are some of the opportunities to consider. Some common objection handling and misconceptions we see around Teams. Teamwork is too expensive and it's not in our budget. Microsoft Teams is included within most Office 365 subscriptions at no additional cost. The chances are, if your customer is running Office 365, they will already have Teams within their products and maybe haven't used or understand the full benefits of Teams. This is an opportunity to go back and address those customers and upsell the value of Teams. We're a small business and we don't need a full teamwork solution. Small business teams are often structured the same as larger teams and enterprises. To work effectively, everyone needs to be on the same tools and the same platforms and share resources in one place. We just use email as our teamwork platform. Bridge the generational divide with Microsoft Teams. As we mentioned earlier, the fact there are now 5 generations in the workplace can create challenges for businesses. It combines the structure of email with a network approach of social networking to deliver a teamwork platform for all generations. Your calls to action. Include the Microsoft teamwork practice in your regular conversations. Microsoft Teams is available as a free version and can be used to test. Offer a share screen demo to show how you use Microsoft Teams. In the next edition of this webinars, we will be doing a more deep dive into Teams and some of the advanced functionality around things such as AI and how that's bringing Teams to life for next generation of worker. So stay tuned for that episode.